Hello everybody, this is Helga and let's study English together. Today's lesson is a reading task, Rick's Life, level A1. Get a pen and paper and write down the information. If you want, you can stop the video. Read the text and answer the questions. Answer these questions, please. Number 1. What is the name of the person in the text? 2. Where is Rick from? 3. How old is Rick? 4. What does Rick do? 5. Where does Rick study? 6. How many siblings does Rick have? 7. What is Rick's sister's name and how old is she? 8. Who does Rick live with? 9. What does Rick's father do? 10. What is Rick's girlfriend's name? 11. How does Rick describe his girlfriend? 12. Does Rick's family like his girlfriend? Now, check the answers together. Please stop the video. Next task is fill in the blanks. The words are missing from these sentences. Please fill in the blanks. If you want, you can stop the video. Let's check the answers together. Please stop the video. Fix the grammar mistakes. There are mistakes in these sentences. Please try to find them and correct them. For example, number 1. My name are Rick Wilson. It is not correct. My name is Rick Wilson. Please do number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Check the answers together. Please stop the video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching it and see you soon!